Hi guys, guess who's back? So today I'm going to install a Cobb heat shield on my 2007 WRX. I got my tools, gloves, hopefully enough hardware. Just kind of went ham on that. And then the heat shield. So yeah, stay tuned. So I wanted to make it clear that this is less of a how-to video and more of my experience with installing it. And just looking at my engine bay right now, I'm not sure if I'm gonna have, sorry for the wiggling, enough room to even get in there. Probably have to take out my intercooler, but I'm gonna try and wrestle it in there and let you know. I probably should have mentioned that my car is missing a stock heat shield. So we skipped the entire uninstalling the stock heat shield because my car doesn't have one. I'm not quite sure how people get this in without taking the intercooler out. I have pretty much no room. I'm debating taking out the intercooler. I'd rather not have to just because the piping is such a pain to get back on. But it is proving rather difficult to wrestle this in. I know it is for an STI, and the videos that I've been watching on how to install don't have a strut bar or a bigger intercooler, so I'm kind of wrestling those issues as well. But yeah, I'm gonna keep trying. So there's absolutely no way that I can get this heat shield in from the top without taking out the intercooler, but I don't want to deal with the piping, so I'm gonna go grab my jack stands from my place and jack up the front of the car and try and wrestle it in from the bottom. Otherwise I'm gonna have to suck it up and take out the intercooler. Alright, well, I got the car jacked up. I'm gonna crawl under and see what I can do. So I'm laying under my car, and I think that it's almost lined up where I could go out and flip it over. So we're gonna crawl out and see. Rip. Auto controller and bushing needs some love. Little Subi. Okay, so good news and bad news. Good news is that I was able to get the heat shield in its spot. I was able to do it from below. I basically kind of maneuvered it in there and then came up here and wiggled it in place, so I see where it mounts up on the inside because there's a bracket that it directly mounts up to, but I do not see a spot on this side for it to mount. So gonna just start installing it and see what happens. Alright, update. So I found all the mounting points. Currently bolting them up. Can't film because I need my phone for a light. So bear with me. I will do an update as soon as it's completely on. Alright guys, she's in. I had to remove a couple small things to get access to this bottom bolt. Not that you can see where my hand is, but anyways, so she's in. Does anybody know if it is not supposed to be touching anything? The heat shield doesn't quite lay against this line, but I feel like if I start driving it might be up against it. So do I need a zip tie or duct tape that out of the way before I go blow up my car? If you guys could comment what I do about that, I'd be very grateful. Alright guys, I finished. All installed. Was sort of a bitch. I'm sweaty and gross and dirty and ready to go inside. Hi guys, so thank you so much for watching. I had a lot of fun doing this, got dirty, hot, but installed a new part and it's always rewarding and fun. So thank you for watching and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you liked it.